Yeah, we gon' call this I'm Loving It. Now watch me write the beat on this one. Boom! Oh yeah, I'm shaking the room and everybody turns silent like I stepped in the tomb. Oh yeah, my shit is on fire, y'all inhaling the fume. I'm about to get you so high, I keep replaying this tune. Yeah, standing ovate when I'm on stage, making bold statement. They all say that it's okay, yeah, the old ace in this old age, so we don't play. Yes, don't stay so gone, but I can't take it back to the start like Coldplay. Now I don't wanna take it too far, so I'm bringing it back to Do-Re. Tell them I'm in the I-Z-O, and I represent the R-A-M. I was born and raised there, and the only real player, I'm like a Jordan Space Jam. I'm like a done and hit the rip with all the great man. Shit drop like a seismic shock, like a pot of thunder city to a barren wasteland. The video telling you that I'm a beast, cause I'm a savage in a garden like they're in Haste-Band. Back to establish my name in the game. The fact of the matter is you can't complain when a sleepwalking giant come and crush your whole crew. Ruckus in the booth, shut you up as soon as you utter another word. Inject it for a verb, you suckers gotta serve. Got what you deserve, the top has been reserved for the best, and it clearly has been named in my fucking date of birth. I'm back on the scene, and here's another joint coming straight out the oven like I've been away for a minute, they've been waiting for me to serve it hot just like McDonald's. And I'm loving it, 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 I'm loving it so much, I'm loving it. You faking it, I'm loving it, you hating it, I'm loving it, I'm taking it all back, I'm loving it. Now observe how I kick it, so sick rappers be sneezing when I spit it. Compare the game to cricket, I'm Tendulkar hitting sixes. Genie made a century, still standing like the wicked. Now how's that, bitches? Sit back and peep this. But the characteristics of rappers you already know, displaying with cheese mode. Then thick up your crush, makes you a man, but you gotta go supposed to be macho. You forget a whole lot of bravado, cause everybody wanna be the head honcho. But I play smart though, works of a virtuoso, killing all your childhood idols. I'm back with the trouble rap shit, spitting rounds to be dying here, venerated and regarded as a pioneer. Known to get the party crunk with no wine and beer. Nobody's got a top of this the final year. That's right, motherfucker, 2012. Either way, MCs be shouting hell, calling Jesus Moses like ring of roses. We are going down in hell. Pardon the blasphemy, I'm just embracing my destiny. They wanna put a hex on me, but you ain't seen the last of me. Been seeing very less of me. AZL's not the place I live. I had to leave cause I'm too real. I'm allergic to this kind of fake MCs. I'm back on the scene, and here's another joint coming straight out the oven like I've been away for a minute, they've been waiting for me to serve it hot just like McDonald's. And I'm loving it, 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 I'm loving it so much, I'm loving it. You faking it, I'm loving it, you hating it, I'm loving it, I'm taking it all back, I'm loving it. Hibernation is over, I burst out the bottle like shaking soda. Boy, I'm taking over, gain enough strength to finally raise this boulder right off my shoulders and drop it on ya. You turned me to a fucking monster. Now this the metamorphosis, an important piece. You're recording this cause I gotta admit that I was a big loser. So I came back as Genie, all I did was switch users. Forget my broke past and focus on my rich future. I learned a lot from life, the bitch is such a strict tutor.